a kingdom of gold and glory, there lived a king who had everything: power, wealth, servants, fame. But every night, when the candles burned low, he could not sleep. He had gold in his hands, but emptiness in his heart. And one day, his search for peace led him to a humble man who owned nothing. But that man had something even the king could not buy. Every morning the king woke to new luxuries: silk robes, golden cups, music, and praise. Yet, as the sun set each night, his heart whispered, "Why am I still not happy?" He had everything others dream of, and yet his soul felt poorer than the beggars outside his palace gates. One day, unable to bear the noise of his own emptiness, he called for his wise minister. "King, tell me, O wise man, where can I find peace? I have conquered kingdoms, but my own heart rebels against me. Majesty, peace can't be conquered, it can only be found. There is a dervish who lives beyond the hills. They say he owns nothing, yet sleeps as peacefully as a child. Perhaps he can teach you what gold can't." For the first time in the years, the king left behind his throne and journeyed into simplicity. He found Darwish sitting under a tree, his eyes calm, his hands empty, his smile radiant. "King, O wise Darwish, I am the king of this land, yet I have no peace. Tell me, what secret do you hold?" Darwish: "If peace is what you seek, leave behind what disturbs it." King: "But I have treasures to protect, a kingdom to rule, and a name to uphold." Darwish: "And yet with all that you come to me, a man with none of those things, asking for peace." Darwish: "Your worries are like this sand, Majesty. The tighter you hold, the more it slips away." The king sat in silence, feeling his chest tighten, realizing how chained he was to his desires. Darwish: "The heart is a wild bird, my king. It does not sing in golden cage." King: "I have built walls of gold around my life and called them achievements, but they are prisons." Darwish: "Then free yourself, Majesty, not by losing your kingdom, but by mastering your desires." That night, for the first time in the years, the king slept. Not because music lulled him or the silk comforted him, but because his heart was quiet. He realized that peace was not found in possession, but in purpose, and happiness not in control, but in compassion. When people asked, "Majesty, what changed you?" he simply said, "I met a man who owned nothing and taught me how to own myself." Sheikh Sadi once wrote, "A content heart is a kingdom of wise. The rest is dust and noise." In life, we chase power, fame, wealth, thinking peace waits at the end of the race. But peace was never at the finish line. It was waiting within us all along. If this story touched your heart, remember, real wealth is a peace of mind. Subscribe to Lifeloom TV to hear more timeless stories.